Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And in today's class, guys, we're going to learn about how to trade 50 and 200 moving average cross. So guys, these are very powerful. It's a very powerful indicator, and it actually works most of the times, guys. So when you master this, I am confident. I'm confident that you're going to make money in the forex market. So what you're going to do is you need to have this idea first. So before you learn, you learn how to trade the 50 and 200 moving average cross, you must know how the structure of the market works. So guys, most of the times when the market breaks a resistance, the market normally comes back where it broke the resistance, guys. We normally call a pullback or a retest. So here we normally buy. So when you have, let's say for example 50 and 200 moving average, let's say for example the market is going on uptrend market, and then 50 it has crossed above 200, then market is considered as a buy trend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wait for this setup, guys. It's a very good setup, guys. You need to wait for break, retest, then you're going to buy, because 50 and 200 are going up. So this means I'm only looking for buying market only. So guys, let's dive into the chart. Then I'm going to show you on a live market. So most of the time, guys, so here I've analyzed on a daily time frame, guys. I've analyzed on a daily time frame. So let me delete this first. So guys, the first thing which I normally do is I normally study the higher time frame market. It's a very important higher time frame. And I normally use the line chart because it usually gives me the correct levels to draw. So guys, you can see I'm on a daily time frame. This is GBP New Zealand USD. So guys, I'm drawing the levels, guys. So I've analyzed on a daily time frame. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. So guys, that is it, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the market to touch the trend line, then moving average cross. So guys, let's say for example here, you can see here we had a crossover, guys. The market was approaching the resistance, the support, guys. You can see the support. Then I was waiting for pullback and retest, guys. You can see here, guys, we had a pullback and retest. So crossover, it has occurred. You can see the crossover, it has already occurred, guys. Then we have got here, you can see, guys, pullback, retest. Then the market just came and formed a good pattern W, and also we had a bounce to 200. You can see here, guys, the market was trying to, you can see here, guys, too. The market was the moving average, it was sloping up. Then this was showing me that the market is going on an uptrend, and we had a crossover. So from here, I'm going to look for buying market only, because the crossover, it has already occurred. So from this chart, you can see, guys, the market is approaching the resistance, guys. Just some few, you can see, guys, it's approaching the resistance. So in this market, maybe it reaches a resistance. I'm not going to sell immediately, guys. I'm going to wait for crossover. And if the crossover doesn't occur, I'm not going to execute any trade. So you can go to lower time frame, guys. You can go to lower time frame. So you can see from this market, guys, the market is still on uptrend. But 4 hours is good. So what I'm gonna do is wait for price to reach the resistance, then have a pullback, then have a pullback, then crossover. Then I'm going to wait for this pattern, guys. Market going after the crossover, I'm going to wait for this pattern. I'm going to wait for this pattern, guys. You can see. So this pattern is very important, guys. You need to have the skill of market structure. So you need to wait. If the market breaks the resistance, for example, here, I'm going to wait for retest here. After the crossover, it has occurs only, then sell. So this pattern is very important, guys. So you need to master this pattern, and you need to master on when to buy and when to sell. So for now, we are on uptrend because all the moving average is sloping up. The 50, it has crossed above 200. So what I'm looking now is I'm looking for buying market only. But if this market reaches a resistance here, then automatically the market is going to bounce down. There's a high probability the market is going to go down. Then I'm going to wait first, crossover, then I'm going to wait for these patterns. So guys, this strategy it works very well, and if you follow it consistently, you're going to make money in the forex market, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my channel, and let's meet in the next video.